Welcome back to Ping Sunday table tennis tutorial every Sunday. Today we learn the forehand topspin of Ma Long, 4 basic steps of Ma Long's technique. Ma Long's forehand technique is one of the best forehand techniques in the world. His technique is almost perfect. Today we will learn the textbook, the classic forehand topspin of Ma Long.
生命在于运动，运动在于科学，科学运动请看全面健身指南。
Ma Long said, "Life lies in sport. Do sport in the right way. Please follow guidelines for national fitness." This is the demonstration of Ma Long's forehand attack for the new book, Guideline for National Fitness by the General Administration of Sport and Beijing Sport University.
横板正手攻球技术，两脚平行站立，比肩略宽，左脚在前，右脚在后，屈膝收腹含胸，左手自然置于腹前。
Step 1. This is the stance for the forehand topspin. Stand with your feet parallel and slightly wider than the shoulder. Left foot in front. Right foot is behind. Bend the knee. Put your left hand in front of the abdomen naturally. Relax at this moment.
引拍时，重心向右脚移，向身体后下方引拍，右肩随转。
Yin Pai. What is Yin Pai? Yin Pai is the way that Chinese players prepare for the stroke. Watch this video to understand this principle. The center of gravity is shifted to the right foot when leading the shot. Snap the shot back and put your body down. Turn the right shoulder. This is the way to generate power from the ground.
躯体同时转腰下沉，拍行前倾。
Bend your leg while turning your waist. Prepare the energy to rotate the hip, forward leaning.
握拍手的拇指和食指稍微用力握住球拍。
Focus on your thumb. This is the micro adjustment skill, very important to improve the quality of your shots. Hold the racket firmly with your index finger.
挥拍击球时，身体蹬转，重心由右脚向左脚转移。
Step 3. The center of gravity shifts from the right foot to the left foot. The body kicks when you hit the ball. Chinese coach often says, hit the ball with your body. That is your body, the main force to generate the power to your forehand. By hitting this way, you will have more power and your shot is more consistent. This is the reason why Ma Long's forehand is so powerful and special. Remember this, the body kicks when you slap the ball.
持拍手大臂向前上方挥拍，在高球期附近迎球收小臂，击中球的中上部。
Hit the ball upward and forward. Follow through with your shots. Hit at the high position. You can see that Ma Long has naturally followed through his gesture and closed the forearm at the end of the gesture.
击球后，持拍手随摆到左前上方，随后收臂还原重心，准备下板击球。
Step 4. Recover. After hitting the ball, follow through the upper left front. Then retract the back and restore the center of gravity. Then you should prepare to hit the next ball. You can see that Ma Long follow his gesture until the upper left front. Then he rotate his hip, put the weight to the right foot and come back to the step 1.
拍击球时，身体蹬转，重心由右脚向左脚转移。实拍手大臂向前上方挥拍，在高球期附近迎球收小臂，击中球的中上部。击球后，实拍手随摆到左前上方，随后收臂还原重心，准备下板击球。
生命在于运动，运动在于科学，科学运动请看《全民健身指南》。